with a scooter.
So, come with us today to pretend na na tourists kami in our own city. Outfit check mo si Abby. Awkward! Outfit check.
Sa videographer.
Friendly neighborhood.
Yung bag ko is for cameras lang.
Grand Central Market!
Anong agenda?
Kakain muna kami, tapos ikot kami around downtown. Mag-Angel's Flight kami mamaya.
Oh my God.
Medyo
Look at the
maraming
line.
tao. So makikipila kami mamaya.
So marami
Baka
din
wala
silang
na yun
kita.
mamaya.
So they're earning a lot.
O ano pa?
Tapos mamaya may pupuntahan kami pero hindi muna namin sasabihin kasi secret. Secret, abangan nyo, meron kaming surprise.
Sobrang daming tao. Hindi ganito pag weekend. Ay, weekdays.
Never pa namin napuntahan yung Grand Central Market na ganito ka-busy, sobrang daming tao. So, hindi na pala, fail na yung... Naiwan! So, ayun, fail yung plan namin na mag-pretend kaming tourists. Hindi pala namin kaya. Kung tourist kami, titiisin namin. Pero dahil dito lang naman kami, baka kapalik kami kanina. Wala namin kasi tao. Pero mapakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung tsura ng Grand Central Market. Hindi lang kami magsasama. Kasi ang daming tao, hindi namin kaya. Maghahanap kami ng kakainan dun sa labas.
I hate it. Dami tao, hindi masaya kumain.
Hindi pa kami nangangalahatan na buwisit na ako, so alis na kami.
Bata pa yung nakabuisit.
Basta kayo nakabuwisit sa akin.
Wala kasing manners eh.
Batukan.
Talagang...
Sino mama mo?
What's this? May feeling.
I think may peanut butter. Peanut butter. Ito yung regular size to me.
Ito yung sikat na donut dito sa downtown.
Ano to? Regular ano lang. Maybe yung isa kasi yung lugar namin sa
Sobrang laki.
say I'm a dreamer. Is Millie Bobby Brown?
Ah, okay.
Dapat babalik kami, bumalik kami, bibili kami ng boba. Ayaw talaga namin.
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi namin kaya. As introverts, hindi namin kaya. So, labas kami, bibili kami.
Mas masaya pala din pag weekdays.
Happy! Ngayon lang kami nagpunta on a weekend. Weekend ba? Tama ba?
Sabado. Tourist day eh.
Medyo tourist dito din.
Saan doon, no?
Ooh, swapping.
Ah, yun yung...
Sabi ko, hindi tayo mabibit-bit ng donut. Ano, mabibit-bit pa. Sabi ko, may pinili kami tigit-tig-isa para ano. Siyempre kami ni Gabi, nagtakaw mata kami. Si Claire bumili nga lang siya ng tigit ng isa. So, ito na
Uy,
naman.
may ano.
Kaya nga, may
Ayun, so ano, may...
Juanita is with us.
Munti ko na mapakan yung ano, yung pinantuturok nila ng birds.
Anyway.
Welcome to LA. This is our life.
Wow!
Glenn, the toss toss. Ano ito? Toss toss.
Juanita!
Si Juanita, she's working.
Juanita is not working, she's slacking. Maganda omission.
Oh, may plane.
Parang
Kain
farmer's
muna kami
market.
guys. Kasi ano, magpapatayan na kami.
Yeah.
Ako nauhaw lang talaga.
It's got beef.
Beef. Egg beef. And then kimchi for ay hindi pala kimchi.
Ano, cucumber na maanghang.
Cucumber na may kimchi.
Gusto mo ito? Kahit isa lang.
Okay guys, we are here at Broken Mouth. Well, I got the yung beef and it's covered in eggs.
torta. Torta yung
Ano
lasa.
ba yan?
Do you not eat torta?
Ano? Ano yun?
Ano yan?
Salad.
Salad. Si Claire, salad lang.
And
So, wala
then,
siyang
ate
gana.
my God,
This is garlic butter shrimp.
it's very good.
Good naman.
And the area here is nice because Grand Central Market was too much for us. I think everyone came to LA for spring break. Nga pala. Yeah, spring break.
Hindi namin kaya.
Walang seats and but we got donuts. I already ate one of my donuts.
Yung plan sana namin today, like, pretend we're tourists.
Hindi namin
Hindi
naging
hindi nag-materialize. Sobrang daming tao. Hindi pala natin kaya maging tourist.
We also got coffee. Very good. Nagustuhan ni ate man.
Gusto ko yung akin.
And she's usually more picky because she knows the difference. Ako, I just drink.
Ito yung pangalan ng coffee shop.
Parang
Lover
hidden
coffee.
pa siya, no?
Bago lang, no? Bago lang, no?
Pero, I never been there. Sa ano.
Ako lang.
Ate's been there, I think.
Parang lagi lang namin nadadaanan, pero we've never been. Ang sarap ng coffee. Parang dalawa lang yung nagustuhan ko ng coffee shops dito. Siyempre,
Nabeta?
Laveta. Laveta tsaka ito. I don't know how to read it.
Zero.
Zero? Yung A na ganyan, how do you read that?
Baka ano lang, design lang.
No, that's an actual letter.
Alam ko, pero baka ginawa nilang design para aesthetic. It's very hot today. Nakita ko nga, sabi ko na nga ba eh, it's gonna be near 90 degrees. Hindi ko namin kaya.
Si Claire nung nag-start siya naka-sweatshirt pa yan. Naka-t-shirt na lang.
Tingnan mo, I have so much in my plate. Kala ko konti lang. Sa picture ang konti lang. Parang konti lang dito, tapos ang dami nilang na-fit. Baka sinadya niya. Oh, the guy gave us free Sprite.
Gusto pa niya nung bumili ako ng salad, sabi niya, gusto niyo pa ng soda?
Oo nga, and we just said no. I just said no kasi ano. Oh, later we're going to watch Project Hail Mary with Ryan Hindi, sino Ryan Gosling? We were going to watch ano watch natin dapat?
10 things I hate about you. I don't know, how to lose a guy.
Yeah, How to Lose a Guy in 10 days pero sold out. Kasi 10.
Hindi, meron talagang 10 things I hate about you.
But it's all sold out and we don't want to watch La La Land because Ate Mai fell asleep last time. It's parang boring konti nga.
Hindi ko sure kung sobrang boring ng La La Land kaya ako nakatulog or
Hindi din.
pagod na
boring
pagod
din
ako.
Konti. Parang, wala.
Nagigising lang ako pag may reaction si Gabi. Ate, did you see that? Hindi.
Ganda lang
Ano?
sa LA yung settings. Oo nga.
Pero baka i-rewatch ko pa din. Like, give ko siya ng chance.
Baka di ko lang nagets. Nagets ko yung story niya. Pero I think it's just sobrang slow paced. And it was very late. Tapos ang comfy pa natin. So, yun. So we're gonna watch Project Hail Mary. People said that naiyak sila.
Tingnan natin. Iyakin pa naman kaming lahat.
Si ate?
Iyakin yan. Pero ano eh, pakul yan eh. So, hindi siya iiyak in public.
Gaganon siya. Tapos tayo.
Kasi mamaya, ang sakit ng ulo ko, hindi kasi ako maiyak.
Doon kami sa Regal because that's the best movie theater.
Theater.
Theater here.
AMC yung bigger cinema, no? Kasi yun yung newer. Pero,
Regal
dinala
is-
kami ni Gabi sa Regal. Tapos nag-recline yung seats, gano'n.
And it's cheaper.
Cheaper, konti. Ano, by a lot, no? $10 din yung difference.
10? 6 naman.
No, 6 daw.
10 would be crazy. Pero ang ganda ng seats. I think AMC is still dun sa regular seating. So, Fuji
AMC
kami.
kasi maraming options. Pero pamahal ng popcorn.
Alam
Yung
mo,
mga 3D, yung mga sounds.
wala bang 3D? Mayroon 3D sa Regal. I like 3D. Oh, 4DX yung gusto ko.
What's
Yung
4DX?
nag-move ka. Pero mahilig sa ate.
Good luck sa vertigo ni Claire.
Me and Jacob watched Jurassic Park or Jurassic World something in 4DX. Tapos, gumaganong-ganong kami. Tapos, merong water.
Ooh!
Pag nandun sila sa ocean, Pag gumanon, ganun sa amin.
I would be so pissed yung makeup ko. Gusto ko mag-Disneyland for my birthday, Gab.
Yung sa other side, merong
Marvel.
Incredicoaster. I wanted to go there pero di ko alam. It looks so fast.
Ay, gusto ko din mag-Tower of Terror.
Ah, hindi ko kaya yun.
Kaya natin
I would
yun.
not- I would
Kaya
rather
natin yun.
go. Ate, there.
Lalo naman yan, no? Hello.
mag-elevator pag
I would rather go on a roller coaster than a drop.
Eh di hindi mo kaya yung Tiana.
Kaya nga, di ba? Gusto ni ate may dati yun. Tapos sabi ko, di ko alam kung kaya ko
Hindi
yun.
pa ata siya open nung nag-go tayo when we went.
It was.
It was pa?
Parang first day yata yun.
Hindi tayo nagpunta dun sa kabila last time eh. Try natin yung kabila. This year.
Puro pang bata kasi yung dito sa kabila. Yun yung gusto mong ma-experience. Yung talagang totoong Disney. Yung dito parang mga movie-movie ng ano yun.
Pero i-try natin yung kabila din. Magkano ba? Disney
Nakakabahan na
passes.
ako for some reason. Parang
Surprise?
nasa line ako.
Hindi, so, rides.
Ah, wala pa nga.
Base ako sa seats eh. Kung may seatbelt, ibig sabihin baka may drop.
Yung ano,
Eh yung ano, wala naman
yung ano nga eh, yung Pirates of the Caribbean, walang seatbelt, tapos nag-drop eh. Kasi Ate Claire got mad. Kasi may dalawa yata eh. Isa lang.
Pero okay lang sa'yo yung Pirates, diba? Hindi siya masyadong ano for you.
Except for that drop. Kaya sa ano yun? Yung pinatry ko sa inyo, yung Jones,
Indiana
Jones, alam ko may drop dun eh. Dun ako nakabahan.
Pero ba? Hindi ko na-feel.
Yung sa dulo, yung may papuntang bato.
Tapos
na-
biglang gumano pa. I love Space Mountain.
Hindi ka na namin pipilitan mag-Space Mountain para makapag Indiana Jones tayo.
Yun ko talaga yung Space Mountain.
I love it. It's
That's
my
my favorite.
Akala ko, asan?
Bobo.
Ba't umikot? Akala ko kaya ko yung Space Mountain. Wala sa akin yung bike. Mahina. Akala ko kaya ko yung Space Mountain kasi kaya ni Trisha. Eh,
Hi, Trish.
hindi rin siya daw maano sa mga drop. Ewan ko, sobrang bilis. Tapos nakapikit lang ako kasi nga, hindi vertigo. Nung vertigo ko yung ano, yung lights. Hindi, mami hindi.
Ano, mami ka na ba?
Nagmami kayo. Yung Jurassic Park yung hindi nyo talaga tinry.
Actually, pag nag-drop, sasabihin ko, ay, it's not that bad. Pero in the leading up to it, baka mamatay ako. Like, yung whenever I go, gusto ko, I go second time. Pero habang nasa line, nagpa-panic attack na. Oh yeah, there's a new ride sa Universal. Did you see it?
Yung Fast.
and Furious.
Ah, yeah. Binibuild siya nung when we were there last time.
Tapos yung cars, they go around.
Umiikot pa.
Umiikot.
Ay,
Habang
gusto ko. Parang saya.
nasasamud ako.
Ano ka?
Yes.
Sa mood.
There's a new Spider-Man movie coming up. Excited ka?
Nunod, Samp ba? O kayo ni Jacob?
Tama ka. Mag-ano kami ni Jacob back room.
Pati mga na daw. Mama, yung kamay ko sa upuan. I know your house.
I know your mouse. I know your name. They have stolen the heart from inside you. Diba? But this does not define you.
Pag galing kay Gabi, parang hindi credible.
This is not who you are. You know who you are. Ano nga yun? Wait. Ano ba tawag? No, there's more. Into the unknown.
Iba ng movie yung kanya.
Wait, ano nga yun yung isa? Oh, no matter how far I'll go, I know everybody on this island has a
Ano mo yung
role
sayang
on this
Happy Gun?
island. Everything's by design.
Di mo alam mas yung
Hindi.
Gan?
Where?
Wala. Musically?
Where? I know. Wait, maybe I could roll with mine. I could lead with pride. I could make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I played along. But the voice
Copyright.
inside.
Sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the line where the sky meets the sea. It calls me.
No.
Bakit ka nahiya bigla? Stays behind me.
Behind me. Ako yung adlib.
And now I know.
No one. No one. Ayoko na.
If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know.
Ako yung adlib.
Ayoko na.
How? No, everybody on this island has a role on this island. So maybe I could roll with mine. The cold grows wide on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like a swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried.
Don't let them in.
Don't let them see,
Be the good girl you've always had to be.
conceal, don't feel,
Don't let them know.
no.
And now they know. Bakit ka bumubulong?
Let it go.
Let it go.
In the wind, in the in the wind, back anymore.
Let it go.
Let it go. Hindi ko kaya to.
Turn away and slam the door.
Here I stay.
Turn away and slam the door. I
Don't care. Nalagay mo yung level ng what the.
they're going to say.
Let the storm range on.
The cold never bothered me anyway.
Anyway,
Funny how some distance
makes everything seem small.
and the freedom that once controlled me.
Can't get to me at all. It's time to see.
Umuya.
What I can do, test the limits and break through.
Test the limits and break through.
No right from wrong, no rules for me.
And now I am free.
Hindi, mali.
Ano?
Ay, di ko lang.
Ikaw yung mali.
Let it go, let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
Tatry ko na yung... Tawag dito? 360 ba to? Hindi ba 360? Ha?
Body ka.
Body cam.
Pag-play na mo. People are weird. What
Hindi mo masyadong mababa.
What's his face?
Ganyan siya, guys. Hello. Tour. Maybe.
Wow.
Ha?
Akin daw to.
Ano yung book reco ko kay Gabi?
No, alam ko to.
Saan tayo?
Nasa last bookstore. Ano ba to? Ano history nito? Hindi ko na-research.
Hindi alam. They thought that this was the last bookstore ever.
Ikaw?
Hindi, everyone.
By they, she meant siya. Akala daw niya ito na yung last bookstore ever. Sabi niya, akala ko dati last bookstore siya kasi ito na yung last bookstore ever.
Bala ka. Hindi ko i-delete yun. Nakamakyo ka.
Hindi, gumanon ako.
Hindi.
Gumanon ako. Isumbong na yun kay daddy.
I want a book.
Ayos.
Wind is howling like a swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, had a long time.
Ba't ang bilis? Ang baliw.
Ulit.
Ang ano, bakit wala sa tono?
Si Gabi kasi marunong mag-beatbox. Dapat
Wag mo munang i-max, sa chorus lang
dapat yung
yun.
ganito.
Okay. Bigla-bigla kang nagbibit ng ano eh.
Mali, girl. Wala pa. Nauuna yung background kasi.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always had to be. 'Cause you don't feel.
Hindi tugma yung beat.
Ako na lang.
Ikaw kakanta?
Okay.
Ikaw kakanta?
Oo.
Okay.
My 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. The snow grows. Hindi yata the beatboxing eh.
Teka lang.
One,
Ano
two.
pa eh?
3, go. The snow glows white on the mountain
Seryoso kasi.
to be seen. A kingdom of isolation. And I'm the queen.
Wiki.
The wind is howling like this whirling storm inside.
Baby naman eh.
Ano ba dapat?
Yung parang sa akin.
Yung tamang ano lang, iba't ibang hayop ang nakakainis.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. The
Bit
snow
lang.
glows white on the mountain.
What?
Bumelo pa siya eh.
What do you want from me? What do you
Yung
want
parang sa
from me?
akin. Hey. The snow goes white on the mountain.
Parang kagaya niya, pag sa umpisa pa lang yung
Adi, ikaw.
ganun ka. Ikaw, hindi. Kayo nga eh.
1, 2, 3. The snow goes.
Ahas! Akala ko may ahas!
Wait, nahihina ako.
Tuyo yung lalamon ako.
Matatanda.
Tuyo na yung lalamon ako. Lumuha pa, putang ina. Wala na nga liquid.
Ah!
Okay.
Game.
1, 2. The snow goes white on the mountain. Beatboxing ba ito or sound effects?
Ano ba? Hindi tayo matatapos.
Okay,
Pag
fine.
i-accept yung sound effects ko.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, i-interpret ko yun
Okay.
with my sound effects.
Paano to? Okay. The snow goes white on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen.
Teka! Beatbox, hindi sound effects. Laway ni Gabi. Inaarte mo yung lyrics eh. Beatbox nga. Parang ikaw yung music.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen.
Wiki.
Ang hilig sa wiki. Tulang tao na.
Wala na, hindi na tayo matatapos.
Okay, last. 1, 2, 3, go. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight.
Babe, tinawag. Si Gabi.
Ah, sige, Abby.
Mas magaling si Gabi, pero wala lang sa timing eh.
Game.
Game.
The snow glows white on the howling, chilling, storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I.
Yan na, magre-refrain na.
Don't let them in, don't let them see.
Lagyan mo bass!
Girl, you're always out to
Ding, ding, ding,
let them
ding,
know.
ding. Drum roll! Dig, 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 dig. Go!
Let it go.
Dig.
Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Turn away and slam that door. Pagka-chika-chika-pagka-ping. I don't know what to say.
Wait.
Wala na tala, wala na akong laway. Wala na.
Hindi ko na alam nasa na kami.
Basta kami. Wala na akong laway
Saan na
talaga.
tayo?
Wala na akong
Wala na
laway.
tayo.
Dito, diba?
Doon.
Yung building yung...
Di ba, ang galing-galing ko. Bakit ikaw hindi ko ganun? Last one.
Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Wala.
Oo.
Girl, wala na akong laway. I promise you. Wala na talaga.
Guys, mukha kaming krimbong. We just got out from Project Hail Mary. And we also got $1.
This thing that we don't even know what we don't even know what it is. Pero $1, so we bought it.
Yes. And then Ate Mai cried like 5 times, and me and Ate cried like once.
Kapal na mukha mo. Once.
Twice.
Mother die, father die.
Twice. Mother die, father die.
Saan ang ulo ko?
So yun.
Yeah.
Spoil namin kayo. Basta
Yeah.
Basta watch nyo.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's good.
It's very beautiful.
Ang sabi mo ba kung ano? Hail Mary.
Yeah. It's very
Project Hail
beautiful.
Mary.
All the actors, there were like 2 main actors. One of them is Ryan Gosling, and the other one is
A folder.
yeah. There's no face, but it was very cute. It reminds us of one of our dogs, Sinta.
Kaya ako umiyak eh.
Para talaga si Sinto Boomers. Kaya din ako umiyak. Parang feeling ko tuloy ang bobo ko. Why am I crying over a folder? It's a folder.
You'll see. You guys will see.
Pero feeling ko deliberate yun. I feel cheated. Kasi feeling ko deliberately binigyan nila ng dog characteristics yung bato. Kaya nakakaiyak. But it's a really good movie.
Yeah, a lot happened. It was a very long, but very pretty,
Very pretty.
very stressful.
I'm not a sci-fi girl, but I like it.
Lalo na ako.
I was like watching, and then when I turned to Ate Mai, I saw Ate Claire clinging like this. Tapos biglang,
Nakakangayt damit.
sabi ko, bakit? Bakit na? Tapos biglang sabi niya, si Sinta. Sabi ko, hindi naman. Basta, you guys will see. It's like a dog. But, now I want a plushie of Rocky, so.
Ayun lang.
Pero it's gonna be so ugly.
But you like outdated. Sila yung Cutler.
Oo nga.
Anyways, yes, we will see what this is. This is $1. So now we're going to Waymo home. And we were gonna do a gaming thing, but we're very tired. So my eyes are very tired. And
Kaya nga eh.
someone was sleeping in the moon.
Ang lakas mag hilik.
And then everyone was
Nakapwesto pa siya eh.
Hindi ko nakita.
Talagang higang-higa pa siya eh.
Lalaki o babae?
Lalaki. Kala mo, minom ng alak eh.
Yeah. But I woke up because the snoring stopped. So. Nakakatawa. Anyways, what do you rate the movie? I rated
10. Ako 10.
10 out of 10?
No.
Talaga?
Wow, ganun ako mag-rate. O maybe 9. Maybe 9 kasi medyo nahihilo ako pag
Kala ko
space.
nabobore ka. Tumitingin ka lang kung ganun ka.
Ang sakit kasi sa ulo nung yung mga stars.
House nyo?
308. Yung mga stars, remember nung tayo, Griffith? Yung nag-watch tayo ng Stars.
Oh.
Nahilo talaga ako
So,
noon.
ganun ka talaga. Kala ko boring sa'yo. It was an 8.5. 9.
tayo?
9.
Okay.
It was better than I expected. Kala ko hype lang. So,
Bala ko nga matulog lang eh.
sabi ko, I was getting worried because I was the one who told them to watch it. Because I was getting worried that they wouldn't like it, but or hindi sila iiyak. Pero,
Were sabi mo na hindi kami iiyak?
Kaya nung trailer, nung nakita ko na yung ano alam ko iiyak na talaga
Di ko winatch. Buti nga. I just knew Ryan Gosling was in it.
And sobrang galing because I remember him last sa Barbie. Si Ken yung role niya. Tapos,
Biglang.
Sa lalalan ko lang siya medyo naalala.
tsaka hindi pa siya yung isa sa mga like Nicholas Sparks movies.
Oh, he is Notebook. He is in the Notebook.
Ba't walang nakalagay?
He's in the Notebook. He's in La La Land. He's in Barbie. He's in Project Hail Mary. He's in a
Ba't
lot
hindi
of
kasama
things.
yung notebook sa movies
baby pa
niya?
siya.
Oo, he looks different.
Ah.
But he is in the Notebook. Maganda din siya. Magaling din siya dyan.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyways, Ryan Gosling is very good. He was very good in this role. Probably one of his better roles, in my opinion.
Barbie din.
Barbie din. Because
Napanood mo ba?
no. Pero nakita ko how he acts. And they're both very different, but he's both very good.
Bye.
Boy!
Subscribe.
Ay, yung ano.
Wala, I don't have a free hand.
You'll get it if you watch it.